So we're on our way to Vladivostok for the next leg of our journey, which at the moment is top secret. Only we know. We've pulled off and we're in this nice birch forest. Move behind us, sun going down over there, and we are going to attempt to make a lasagna on the fire tonight.
Hi.
One of the foods we love and we've missed so much. Max looking after the fire, going to get it nice and hot. Gemma's inside, preparing the sauce, the bolognese sauce to start with. Yummy, yummy. When's the last time I had a lasagna?
Oh, can't remember.
Must be
2016.
We haven't had one since July 2017. Before that.
No.
Woo!
Well, actually, where's the lasagna? I forgot what it is.
It's
Pasta with a white sauce on top.
He knows.
Cheese sauce.
He knows what. He knows what lasagna is, and where we're going to cook it.
On that
Have you ever had lasagna before with cheese?
Yeah, but it's been dairy free.
So you never ever had a proper lasagna with proper cheese?
No, I'm not. I'm so excited. This is
Awesome.
even proper cheddar cheese, Harry.
It's real cheese. He was dairy intolerant before. I'm dribbling a little bit.
Sorry.
Yeah, I just dribbled a little bit. What we got? Oh, lasagna. So we're trying to cheat with the garlic bread. Oh,
We're toasting.
burning a little bit. Oh no, toasted, beautiful.
Oh.
So butter and a rub of garlic. We'll see how that turns out.
Ooh. Let it up.
Step behind you, Harry! Ah! Heating's on. We have
Yum.
lasagna.
The cheese is awesome.
Taste? Nice. Good.
Garlic bread. No salad because Max was going to make a salad, but they're having such great fun outside, so we'll just have to do with lasagna and bread.
It's hot.
Yours sounds nice, Max.